Hello, our dear friends and benefactors. I am speaking to you today from our girls' town here in the Philippines, and my heart is overflowing with gratitude. At the beginning of this year, I carried a mix of emotions, uncertainty about what lay ahead, and a quiet hope. A hope that God, in His mercy, hears the cry of the poor. And He did. He answered through you. Because of your generosity, more than 6,000 children have found a home at our girls' towns and boys' towns. Over 3,000 have graduated, and at present, 21,000 young lives have been lifted from poverty into a bright future. These children came from places of dangers, of difficulties. Many of them have been deprived not only the basic needs, but also the simple joys of childhood. But here, they found something special, a family, a place where they are loved, educated, and formed in faith. Each day we witness a silent miracle. Each child flourishes, and we see that they have become what they were meant to be, children of God, full of purpose, dignity, and profound joy. Your support is a lifeline. And so, from the bottom of our hearts, we thank you. Thank you for transforming lives. As Christmas draws near, we hold you close in our prayers. May the peace of our child Jesus fill your hearts at Christmas and all throughout the new year. Thank you once again, and God bless you.